Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Angelonic Video Tutorials. Today we will discuss a little bit about how to use Office Suite from Microsoft online using your browser. In case you have one drive, for example, you can put the data online on cloud and you can access it from everywhere, from any kind of device actually, because you will use your browser. And more than this, you can use also Word, Excel, PowerPoint in your browser, using directly from their servers, I mean from cloud. Let's talk a little bit about all this, but I want also to show you this part. So listen, this is the Outlook, my Outlook. Okay, it's my Outlook from 365, Microsoft 365. It's online, it's on browser, and of course you can use it the same like I can use it. Here it's for example Outlook for email. I can read my emails very easy. I have contacts, I can attach files, I can do some to-do tasks, I can do some Word directly, Excel directly, PowerPoint, some presentation and attach it directly and so on. But more than this, I can use directly Microsoft 365, for example OneDrive, Teams will be also downloaded as an application, the desktop application. Word, it's a simple Word editor, actually having a lot of functions and features from Word, from that text editor, was a desktop application. Excel the same, PowerPoint the same. OneNote is to make notes, To-Do is to do tasks, to put what I have and what I need to do. Family, safety, and calendar, calendar, to put in calendar if you have some meetings or something like that. Skype, if you want to use Skype. I use Skype also, and if you want all applications, wow, you have it here, all applications like that, or just these applications online. Okay, in our case now we will test a little bit Word, this text processor. I will go with my account, and that's it. I have a new blank document, and here, for example, I can do a new document, and it's easy to have a new document in Word online. Basically, I have like Word, can you see? Like application from desktop. I can have files with save as, and so on. Basically, home with everything, new, open, info about the information, save as. We can save it, download as a copy, because by default is saved. This file will be saved on OneDrive, but you download a copy of that. Download as a PDF, will convert everything in PDF file, and you can use it. And of course, download as ODT. ODT is Open Document Text, meaning for Open Office. Okay, so they started to integrate also with this open source editors and open source software. Okay. Export, to export everything in PDF if you want, or to export something else. Here, export to PowerPoint presentation, so you can do from Word in PowerPoint presentation. To print, to share it's easy. To share with someone, you can share with some people, put the people there who is your contact and share it with that people. Or embed, you can embed and someone work in real time with you in real time. Co-authoring is the name, and of course about what's going on here. So this is the file. We have home with the same page, to write on the page some text on our page. It's very easy, the same, just select bold, select italic part, select underline part. You can do all this very, very easy. Also, you have right click, and exactly like in Office for desktop, you have here directly your general tools, to do. For example, if I select this and I want right click and change it in green, I will change it in green. Okay, it's very, very, very easy. Everything is on your hand. to insert table, pictures, drawing, the same like in Word, layout, to put everything in layouts, you know, references, review, view, everything is here. View is to view, how to view 100%, you can increase to 150%, and in this case my page is, the view of my page is bigger to see what's inside. So I have general features of this text editor also in a web. Let's find something else. Let's go with Excel. I will go with Excel, and I will try to open another document in Excel. All documents is saved in cloud in OneDrive. So but you saw already, you can download a copy of your document and using offline if you want, with other editor or with the same editor but desktop application. Also, you can upload your document, because someone asked me in the past, said, Nick, okay, I'll do all this online, remain online, I will access it if I have internet. If I don't have internet, if you don't have internet, you have that offline copy, and if you want, you can upload your copy over what is there, and in this case you will have a version history, and you will see who put there, what is the new. It's a versioning part, you know, so basically your file will be versioned. Okay, here we have Excel, exactly like the same Excel. Look, we have Excel with 1, 2, and here we can do an equal, you know, equal, and 1 plus 2, something easy, you know, and that's it, is 3. The same functions. If I go here, go down, and put here 2 plus 3, 3 plus 3, and so on, automatically is arranged and automatically is calculated. So you have the same thing. Also, you have the part with right click for your calculations and your cells inside of your table, you know, in your grill. So in this case we have also insert, to insert something if we want, draw, to draw something, if we want to outline something, to see, you know, to focus on something. Page layout, formulas, we have formulas here, and we can apply formulas, like I applied a sum, you know, a simple sum. Data, review, view, exactly to see the view, how and what you want to see, a default or another kind of view. Have around 70 to 75%, in my opinion, of functions from a desktop application. Okay, you can do the same, save new, save as, you can download as a copy or save it directly. If you save as now, save directly on a OneDrive in cloud. And in my opinion, it's quite okay, because the space is for store, you know, storage is not so big for storage part. I mean, how big can be a file? You know, a couple of kilos of data. I mean, probably a megabyte of data top, you know. So in this case, if you have some default or minimum storage on cloud, for example, you can put it there. Thousands of documents like that, like this. You can print, you can share. It's very easy to share with someone. Just go share, and of course you can add who is, or just generate a copy link and send it to the other person, and the other person automatically in real time can edit the same document in real time with you. Basically, you will see the other one doing stuff, and the other one can see you doing stuff on the same file in the same time. The next one, let's say it's PowerPoint. Let's do some PowerPoint part. You know, let's do a new blank presentation. You can choose templates for every of these. You have also online templates, and here you can add everything you want. So it's not so bad to have all this, you know, and to know how to use it online, because you can use it if you have OneDrive and a Microsoft account. It's best is the best because you can have everything on cloud, you save it there, you can use from, I don't know, mobile, your mobile device or your laptop or your PC, just using a browser. It's not necessary to go install, oh, I have for Android, oh, I have for Microsoft, what is the package for that, I can install the latest one. Oh no, put it there and that's it. The next step is to have basically a virtual machine. Better than this, it's to have your Windows, your desktop is remote Windows, it's a remote machine, and there you can have everything you want as a SaaS, SaaS, software as a service. Basically, you have a remote machine like your computer. You can access your computer over the internet, and there you can access everything you want, and you can install because you have your Windows operating system on your computer in virtual machine, and you can access it in remote control. It's very easy, just go in remote control, access it, and that's it. That's the next step for other kind of video tutorial. Till then, I hope this video tutorial to find you well, and also this video tutorial to teach you something, to show you something, some information about how to deal with Office in the cloud, how to deal with Office Suite using a browser. It's not necessary to have you can have also desktop application, but you can have this Office using a browser. Till next time, ladies and gentlemen, see you. Bye bye.